welcome back to my channel. It's your girl everlenia.chenelle here, and of course y'all know your girl is back with another video showing y'all how I achieve this bomb look here. But of course y'all know, before we get into the video, look, if y'all enjoy this video, give your girl a thumbs up. Also, subscribe, turn your notifications on, all that good stuff, and yeah, let's get into the video. To prime the eyelids today, I'm gonna be going in with the P.Louise base in the shade Room 4, and y'all already know how that's about to go. Of course, I'm just gonna put it all over my lid to prep and prime for the eyeshadow. For the eyeshadow today, I'm gonna be going in with my Mascara Professional Makeup Palette, and I'm just gonna use a few shades out of here. I'm going to start with the brown here, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of this brown right here. That's like a brownish red, but I'm also use this as my shimmer lid. I mean, use this for my shimmer color on my eye. Okay. For eyeliner today, I'm going to be using the Nyx Epic Wear in the shade Black, and of course I'm just going to create a small winged liner. So now that we're finished with the eyes, for now, I am going to prime my face using the Fenty Beauty Matte Pro Filter Primer. And of course, y'all know I'm just gonna put that all over my face. Moving on to the color corrector end, because y'all already know, I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Complexion HD corrector, and of course this is in the shade Orange, and I'm just going to use this to cancel out some of the dark spots in my face. Now for the foundation, I'm going to be using my handy dandy MAC Studio Fix Fluid. Y'all, this has become like my favorite foundation. I used to not like MAC, and I feel like it's because of the type of foundation I was using by them, but I don't know, I like this Studio Fix Fluid, so I'm rocking with it. But yeah, this is the foundation I'm using today. Now for the highlight and contour, I'm gonna be using the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop in the shade Golden Honey. And of course, I'm gonna highlight under my eyes, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. For the contour, y'all already know I'm using my Black Radiance True Complexion Palette in the shade medium to dark, and of course, April Fools. But of course, I'm gonna be using the contour shade out of here to create my contour, which I'm gonna contour my nose, my forehead, my jawline, and my cheeks. To set the highlight today, I'm gonna be using the Sacha Buttercup baking powder, or setting powder rather, I'm sorry. And of course, y'all know I'm just gonna apply that everywhere I apply that contour concealer or highlight highlight concealer. To set the contour, y'all already know what time it is. I'm gonna be using the Black Radiance True Complexion in the shade Dark to Deep. I'm gonna use the Sculpt shade out of here to set my contour. Now to blend everything in, of course, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Glambronze spray. I'm just gonna spray that over my face, and then y'all know that I'm gonna blend it with my flat top brush. Alright, so of course one of my new favorite things to do is add a little bronzer for a little more what do you call it? A little bit more warmth and a little bit more depth, I guess you would say. And yeah, that's what I'm finna do, add the bronzer. And this is, because I didn't tell y'all, this is the Morphe Glambronze in the shade Trailblazer. For highlight today, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, and I think I'm gonna do the shade Sunray out of here, which is this one right here. Or no, I'm gonna do white sand. So I'm gonna go in with white sand, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of highlight on, not too much, on my nose a little bit, and my cheeks a little bit. Alright y'all, so now I'm gonna go back in with that Cara palette, and I am going to take the red shade here, and I'm just gonna put a little bit in my lower lash line. And today, for a little razzle and dazzle, I'm gonna be adding some rhinestones. Only 2. And I'm gonna put that on my bottom lash line too. Now it's time for the lashes. I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera, but I am gonna show y'all the lashes that I'm gonna be using, which are going to be some more of the Cavallilashes, and I think these are the same ones. Yeah, these are the Milan. So I'm gonna go in with the Milan lashes again today. And then that's gonna be that for the look, because I definitely think that I'm gonna keep my lip really nice and really neutral. So yeah, I'm gonna put on my lashes and then I'm gonna come back. All right, y'all, so that's that for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Yeah, y'all already know how I feel about it. Y'all already know. And yeah, I just hope y'all enjoyed the video. As y'all can see, I got a new hair color, and I don't really know how to feel about it, y'all. It's like a reddish brown, but it's cute. I don't know. I feel like it just gotta grow on me, or maybe I just gotta style it a different way. Nonetheless, yeah, that's that for the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Of course, if you enjoyed it, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the vibe. Turn your notifications on, all that good stuff. Follow your girl on social medias. Of course, everything will be down below. And y'all, I'm so upset because I gotta take a break from getting my nails done because I done cracked the middle of my nail. And it needs to grow back. So hopefully it grows back soon and then it'll grow back real like funky, like, I don't know. We gonna see though. But yeah, that's that for the video. I love y'all. I will talk to y'all soon. Y'all stay safe. And also, because I didn't tell y'all, but I am trying something new where I want to go live every Friday. So I think that's what I'm gonna start doing from now on. But yeah, I'll see y'all live on Friday. Talk to y'all later. Love y'all. Bye.